Oh, goodness gracious. If you're afraid of heights, you might not want to do this, or you might want to get a friend to help you. He can go up there. You can direct him as to what to do, and you can hold the bottom of the ladder. I wasn't going to show any of this getting up high on the ladder and stuff, but see, I think I'm going to. See, I put that bolt in, and then there's another one right there. Good grief, right there. And I've got to put a couple more in here because this is split and stuff. And then, see over here, there's one there. And one down there. Oh, there's another one. Just slow as I went. There's one right there. See? I just went slow. And that's why they call it an extension ladder. I just extended it up a couple at a time, and away I went. I should really have somebody here holding the bottom of it, but it looks pretty. It looks pretty secure. You know, I don't think it's going to slide on here. If it was just on straight concrete or something, and depending how much of an angle you had, then you'd want somebody to hold it at the bottom, or put some stakes in it if you're in the dirt or whatever. I was up high on an extension ladder one time, and I was fixing in some batting cages at a little golf putt place, and they had batting cages, and I went way up high to put some hog rings on some of the rope and stuff to keep the balls from flying out. And I was way up high, and I was up higher than this even, and the bottom slid out. That slid out, and I started grabbing the ropes, you know, where the batting cage area was, and I tried to grab it, and I just kept sliding. I don't know how I didn't break anything. I landed on my side and kind of bonked the side of my head, and I was dazed and confused for sure. Some guy ran over who was hitting in a batting cage. Are you okay? Are you okay? And all I could hear was birds tweeting in my head. I thought, no, I'll be okay. I got up, and luckily for me, I didn't break anything. I was okay, but at the end of the day, I was fine. But I could have wrapped my hand on the inside of that, my foot on the inside of that. Oh man, I could have broke something. Broke my neck, broke my leg, broke my arm, whatever. So just be careful when you're up on an extension ladder. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.